Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a Google Meet link? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find the link to your Google Meet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you do online coaching, or maybe you run your meetings or sales calls through Google Meet, you need to send out the Google link to the other participants so they can join in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Google Meet website. It's meet.google.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. Alternatively, from any of your Google pages, even the Google home screen, you can click on these 9 dots. To do that, you just scroll down until you see the Meet logo and click on there. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you here to the Google Meet homepage. Now make sure you're working in the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account. And you can verify that by clicking on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you've done that and you're sure you want to go ahead and create a Google Meet link, you're going to click on this blue button, New Meeting, and you have a couple of different options. The easiest is you can click right here, Create a Meeting for Later. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and give you the Google Meet link, and you can just copy the link. So you can go ahead and email that or message that out to the other participants. If you're on the phone with somebody or you're emailing right away and you want to immediately open up a Google Meet, you can go ahead and just click on New Meeting and start an instant meeting right here. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up a Google Meet meeting. So you're going to be automatically in the meeting, and then you're going to see this link right here. You can copy that link and then text or message that over to the other participants, and they can go ahead and join this Google Meet. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Google Meet link, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.